Just look at this. It's creamy, juicy, and just perfect. These chicken skewers are the definition of an easy, delicious dinner for any day of the week. They are rich in flavor, tender in every bite, and done in no time. If you're craving something healthy, comforting but effortless, this is the recipe for you. Hello, beautiful souls. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Rabia, and I share cozy recipes every week. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. You have no idea how much this means to me. Now let me show you how to make this perfect, easy dinner you can enjoy any day of the week. Let's dive in. I started by mixing my marinade. For this marinade, I'm using 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt to give it that creamy base. Then I add 1.5 teaspoons of smooth peanut butter. Trust me, this adds richness and a gorgeous depth of flavor. Next, I go in with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. You can add 2 or even 3 if you'd like. The olive oil just makes everything silkier and even more delicious. After that, I add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce for that beautiful flavor and color. Then I add the spice. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon white pepper, 1 teaspoon parsley flakes, half a teaspoon seasoning salt, and 1 teaspoon freshly squeezed lemon juice. I mix everything together until it's smooth and well combined. And honestly, it already looks so delicious. At this point, I tasted my marinade and noticed it needed a little more flavor. So I adjusted it. I added a pinch of salt, a bit of organic garlic paste, and some organic green herb seasoning. I also added a little more smoked paprika, more black and white pepper, and a touch more parsley flakes. And then I give it another mix and add a bit more olive oil. Like I said, the more olive oil with reason, the better the marinade coats the chicken. Once that was ready, I set it aside and prepared my chicken. I sliced my already washed boneless chicken breast into even pieces. Cut them into whatever shape you prefer. Just make sure the sizes are similar so everything cooks evenly. Then I poured my marinade over the chicken and with gloves on, mix everything gently. I love mixing marinades with my hands. You can actually feel when every piece is coated perfectly. If you have the time, let this marinate for up to 4 hours or even overnight. But if you're in a hurry, 1 hour or at least 30 minutes will do. Now grab your skewers. Mine had been soaking in water so they stay soft and don't burn during cooking. Thread the chicken onto the skewers in any size you like. I prefer using flat skewers because they help the chicken stay in place and turn easily while cooking, unlike round bamboo skewers that roll around. Once all your chicken is on its skewers, we're ready for the next step. Okay, for this next step, let's go ahead and grill our chicken skewer. They already look so beautiful. Just look at them, beautiful souls. The color, the marinade, everything is coming together so perfectly. Well, For this recipe, I'm using my pan grill. So I start by heating it up until it's nice and hot. Then I spray it with a little non-stick cooking spray. Once the pan is ready, I place a few of my chicken skewers on, keeping the heat at low to medium. And honestly, the smell at this point is unbelievable. That creamy, juicy marinade is already giving off the most beautiful aroma. You want to dive in before it even cooks. But take it easy, just chillax. You're gonna enjoy it at the final end. Let each side cook for about 5 to 6 minutes, depending on how thick your chicken pieces are. Then gently flip them to the other side so everything cooks evenly. Look at those colors. Golden, glossy, and so gorgeous. Once a batch is fully cooked, set it aside and continue with the rest of your skewers until all of them are beautifully grilled. Now, to bring balance and freshness to this dish, I like making a simple little salad on the side. It adds color, crunch, and a refreshing bite. I'm using sliced cucumber, sliced cherry tomatoes, and a bit of fresh cilantro underneath. To season the salad, I drizzle in some organic extra virgin olive oil, sprinkle a little ground black pepper, a pinch of salt, and finish with a touch of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Give everything a nice mix. Just look at those colors. Bright, vibrant, healthy, and such a perfect pairing for a creamy, juicy chicken skewers. And there you have it, beautiful souls. A meal that's creamy, juicy, healthy, and easy to make. Remember, beautiful souls, cooking isn't just about feeding the body. It's about nourishing your soul, sharing love, and creating moments of joy in your life. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and leave me a comment down below. I'd love to hear how your chicken skewers turned out, or any tips and twists you tried. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any of the cozy, delicious recipes we share here every week. And thank you so very much for being part of this little family. Stay inspired, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Until then, keep cooking with love. Cheers.